That the zebra won't run away, okay? Okay, so we have the zebras. Zebras are herbivores, which means they spend most of the day eating grass, leaves, and stems. They are actually black skinned with white stripes, and their stripes are just like our fingerprints, meaning that two zebras
Braids,
have...
like a name, no? Braids.
Yeah, zebra.
This is what I was picturing. I saw a zebra.
Okay, Kuya, sit down.
No, the ball.
Okay, if you look to your right, these are called the water bucks. Their body emits oil that helps them in waterproofing, attracting mates, and preventing predators from getting near them because of its stinky smell. So they are very stinky. Males have horns while females do not. The older they get, the stinkier they become, and the stinkier they are, the more handsome they are to the females. A water box motto in life is if you are stinky, you are lucky. So once again, ma'am, sir, we have the water box. Okay, sit back down, kuya. It's called the African Savannah. That is because all the animals here originates from Africa. But they were born and raised in USA, UAE, and Belgium. Some of them were already born here in Cebu Safari, meaning they are already Filipino citizens. Yes, kuya?
You traveled to Africa together?
Yeah, yeah. They are
Oh, it's a zebra again!
Hello, zebra.
Baby zebra. Okay. So this
Crocodile. Ano yung kadagpo. Kadagpo. Gana rin. Mura siya gana. Mura siya statun. Mura batu. Mura batu. Oh. Si Chloe. Chloe. Dali. Monkey. Nawa. Ay, gamay kayo. Kato. Oo, gamay kayo. Barat kato nga, may brown. May brown na naikat. Iyo daw itap. Iyo itap.
Siya kaabot.
Tingin mo, kuhan ba?
Mabarog.
Mo suko si Bibi.
Bahala ng ibig. Kuwan to itong bayad rin. Hindi na makita ang giraffe. Uy, daram, asa mong giraffe? Daram. Daram kayo ka. Hindi mo ka makita.
Sorry sila doon ba?
Hindi naman ay anak.
Kailangan na lang.
Giraffe. Awa, matanaw siya.
Miji, mau rin mau rin tayo sa buso siguro itong sa ba? Pag ginawa na mo siguro ba? Okay. Wala si Bosi Tira Zuro. Diwa naman siguro. Normal lagi. Okay. Di ka po siya. Tog.
It's the brother so special. There's the such your friends.